Here's a short video showing you how to import your LAS files into your Techlog project. There's two different ways to import your LAS files into Techlog. The first way, if we navigate to wherever our files are saved. So here on my desktop, I have my LAS files. If I select them from Windows Explorer, if I drag and drop them into Techlog, this automatically opens up the import buffer and populates input buffer with the 5 wells I've just dragged in. So we have our well 1, our survey data set, our azimuth and inclination data. And this is the same for the 5 different wells. When we're happy with this, we select data sets. We can click on this blue arrow to import the data into the project. Now in the project browser, we have our 5 wells. Once we're finished importing, we click on this black cross and this clears all the information that import buffer and closes the input buffer. Then this isn't the only way to import LAS files. We can also do it by clicking on import up here to bring up input buffer manually. Then under files import, we can click on the folder. And we can navigate to the same place, find our LAS files, select our 5 wells, click open. As popular as the input buffer with the same information. Just 2 different ways to import the data. Again, if you want to import it, we work on the blue arrow. This time, I'm just going to clearly import buffer.